Welcome back again. Now I've done two video tutorials already on this. I've done the diagram view and the map view. Let's now look at outline view. Now some people like to start in linear format, outline view, get their ideas down, but as they build it they might want to then go to visual view like a mind map, but you can work between both. So I'm now going to show you how to work in outline mode. So first we need a topic. So first we need an idea, so I'm going to tap into main idea and let's make something up. Let's go with, maybe it would be a sports therapist or something, I don't know. Let's put sports in. Click the enter key. So we've got our main idea. If I actually come down to the next subtopic, under sports I can now add a topic that's relevant to sports or category. Let's just put physio in. Now again I can add a main idea of a sports or a subtopic. Let's do another main idea of the main idea, which is sports, because that's a big subject. Let's go with nutrition. Let's do one more main topic of sports. So topic again. Let's just put fitness in. There we go. So let me just show you that in map view, in diagram. And there we go. So I've got the main idea, which was sport. I can drag that out. And then I'm putting my ideas into order. Now, you might not want to work in visual view straight away, but I always recommend hit the sync button, because then that will sync in that order starting from 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. And the same as in here, can you see? Nutrition, fitness and physio. Just keeps you structured and organised. So I'm happy with that, I've got 3 ideas. Then you go to, for example, physio. And you think, well, I need to break physio down into subtopics categories. Well, then we can highlight and select the subtopic. See, it's come up with A. So a subtopic from physio, I could put. I've only learned that as I've got older, because I do a lot of cycling and I've pulled a few muscles. And I found out it's because I'm not warming up or cooling down. So it's vitally important. So I want to do another subtopic of physio again. So I'll click on it and select subtopic, and I'll do one more. Let's just put cramps as an example. There we go. So you can look at this kind of bullet point in a Word document or word process your ideas down. Now if I come back up to diagram, you can now see if I drag on physio, warm up and cramps, how we're now building our ideas. Also visually though, you're working in linear. Now remember what I said, keep it synced. So your map, click sync, stay synced with your outline view. Now you kind of get the idea with that. Now you're ready to add notes. So I'm going to go to physio, warm up and cool down, and I want to add some information regarding that. Well then, you can add a note option, and you can type a few notes. Anyone doing a sports degree, forgive my lack of knowledge, I'm just putting anything in there. So now we've added a note to warm up and cool down. But while you're on there, you might go, actually, I'd like to add a hyperlink. So we can add a link from the website. So I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge, any web browser you want. Let's put something about warming up and cooling down. So let's put in, I'm going to choose any link, to be honest with you. Just for now as an example. That will do. Control C. Now copy it. So now I want to add a hyperlink. So I'm going to come down here. Make sure you copy over that HTTP. Control V, or you end up with twice and it won't work. Then give it a name. That will do. Warm up. Make sure it's on web page. Click OK. Now I want to go back to diagram. And you can see within the link, if I tap on it, it will bring that web page up for you so you can access it quickly. But I want to go back to outline. That looks a bit messy, doesn't it? So I'm just going to put a gap between them. The hyperlink. So I've added a hyperlink there, and then you could do a bit more, warm up and cool down. You might have another hyperlink. So I could type and in there, and again do a space, go online, and let's just say I got something specifically for cool down. And again, that would do some stretches there. Copy the link at the top and accept that. Actually, I might go and look at this later, it looks interesting. I'm now going to Now I want to put it in here again, so again go to Hyperlink, make sure it's on web page, and Control V. And I'm going to call it cooldown so I know what the link precisely is. And click OK. Now look at my two hyperlinks. Go to diagram. So when you actually come to your map, you might go, right, there's my warm-up link, and there's my cooldown information. If I tap on it, it brings up that website for you to access. While you're in there, actually, you might even copy. Let's come down. You might like those bullet points. So I'm just going to copy them all. Again, Control C, and then we can paste it in. You can paste it in here, by the way, just by adding a note, but I wanted to show you outline view, didn't I? I could add additional information, or you can create a new sub-branch if you want. There you go. You've now built up your information in linear format, but you're still getting it in diagram. Here's a note. Drag it where you want it. So if you're someone that preferably works in bullet pointing in outline, you can still do that with this, but you can have a quick look in. If it's a really complicated topic, you can have a look at your map view here. But the main point I want to get over to you here is use the hyperlinks and the sync button to make sure it stays synced. When it's done, we can then send it to File, PDF, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word. I did Microsoft Word in an earlier video, so I'm going to do it PowerPoint this time. Presentation to do. I'm going to drop that onto my desktop because I lose everything. I'll leave it as sports. Now it gives you templates you can use. Now bear in mind with these, I've had a look, they're not the best in the world. So it's up to you. Come down the bottom, you can do 3 boxes or 1 box depending on what you want in your PowerPoint. I'll leave it in 2, but I'll leave it plain. Use notes as speakers notes, so any notes within your symbols will be at the bottom of your PowerPoint for speaker notes. So you can untick that if you want or not. And you've also got include tile slide. Click OK. Right. Click got it. And you can see the order we did it in with sports, then little table of contents, then everything you've added is in order. So if we come down to video, and we've even got the links that we can access holding control down and tapping on them. So even if you're not on my map, it's still a good way just to structure all that information you've got. So there's your third map, and that's using outline view.